In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Edit up top left over here. You want to hover over PDF content, and here you want to click on Mark for Redaction. Now, when you do this here, it's going to say you have to use this tool to select areas containing sensitive information. So, of course, you can do that by pressing the OK, and then here you can select the areas. Now, for example, I'm going to first select this over here, which is random, but I'm just going to select it. You can just basically draw over it like this. So basically you can just basically click and hold your mouse button and then just release whenever you're ready, and that way you can make it. Now we can hover over it to see how this redaction will look like, and if you're fine with that, that's very cool. You can go ahead and do it for as many things as you wish, and when you would actually like to apply these, go ahead and go back to Edit top left, and then again PDF content, and here apply redactions. Click on it. Over here you can select which pages you want to apply that to, and you have some different redaction options. You can of course play with that if you want to. I'm just gonna leave it as default, and I'm gonna click on OK, and there we go. I've successfully done it. This has now basically been removed or blurred, and it's now basically has a coloring over it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.